let's carry on. Basically, my name is Abdul Malik and I am from Chechnya. I'm 40 years old and I'm a refugee from Chechnya. I came to Britain 2002. Since then I've been living in Britain. So I think that is a brief enough introduction, and it's not very nice when you're talking about yourself. So let's do some good deeds and let's see other people's opinion in regarding of Ukraine invasion in Ukraine by Russian invasion. I mean, so we'll be shooting some videos and we'll try to listen to the people, ask them questions and see what they know about actually Chechnya, because today Chechnya, everybody has forgotten about Chechnya. So our job is to remind those who forgotten and to teach those who have no idea what is Chechnya. Chechnya is a country which was occupied by Russia. So we're saying no to Russian terror in Chechnya and in Ukraine. So, you want to be on the camera? Do you support Ukraine? Welcome to my blog. It's a Chechen blogger in English.
All right.
I'm doing a blog for supporting Ukraine and Chechnya.
All right.
Russia has killed 300,000 Chechens.
I don't support that.
So after that, now they're invading Ukraine. As we know, what they're doing, the bomb shelling, they're killing innocent Ukrainians.
Yeah.
And who will be next? The next, they will come to Britain, they will come to Poland, they will go to Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. So my protest is against the Russian terror. I support Russian people, no problem, but not the terrorist government.
Yeah.
So what would you like to say to Chechnya and Ukraine?
Chechnya in Ukraine.
Yeah.
Hope feast, and I believe that this war will soon be over, and I hoping that all of you will be safe. Okay. Just keep safe.
Nice one. Thank you very much for your comment.
Thank you.
Nice one. Have a nice day. Cheers. Just passing by, simple person.
I'm sorry, feet. No, wheelchairs, please.
He supports, everyone supports Ukraine because nobody wants a war. Everybody wants to live in peace. But Russia is always, wherever the Russia is, there is a war. So we're saying no to war. We're saying peace and freedom for Chechnya and Ukraine. So although there's not many people in the city today because it's a Sunday, however, we'll just walk in the city and you can see the city as well. It's a nice city, it's a beautiful city and very nice people. Obviously there's bad everywhere, so there's good and bad, but in general it's really nice and very nice people, decent people. Right. Now we're heading in a high street and let's see what the people's opinion about Chechnya and Ukraine. Actually, Russia first invaded Chechnya. Chechnya was the first prey of Putin and he killed 300,000 innocent people, including 42,000 children. So because the world didn't react at that time, probably that was because of I really can't comment why the world didn't react, but they didn't. So now, as we have seen that Russia invaded Ukraine, independent country, which was not disturbing no one, and just would like to hear your opinion. What would you wish to them, and what would you say to Chechnya?
I just wish that the people of Ukraine, I wish that my heart goes to them. And I hope that everything gets sorted and quickly. It's heartbreaking seeing that.
It is, isn't it? Yeah.
Really heartbreaking.
And
the
what?
people of Chechnya as well.
Chechnya as well. So.
They suffer. I know this. I remember watching it.
So many people died. I mean, like
And the only thing I will say is the West should be doing a bit more.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to hear.
But I can't say.
Yeah, we only say, speaking our opinion. We are as a humans.
I think it's lovely to see the blowing yellow flag, and it's lovely to see people put money in, but they need help, they need manpower.
They need more help than that.
Money's
Yeah.
great, but no everything.
Yeah.
And I think that the people in Ukraine and Chechnya, they still need our help there.
Obviously, and the whole world should support. Actually.
Well, the whole world are all saying, go for it, we're behind you. Let's just go in and just help them.
Have a nice day, mate. Yeah, take care. Bless. As you've heard, very positive support to Ukraine and Chechnya. Obviously, there's very few people who would not support Ukraine and Chechnya. Right, let's see what these two officers would say. Excuse me, lads, do you mind to be on camera for 2 minutes? I promise you it's for positive, good side.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, I'm a Chechen blogger in English. I started my blog in English recently. You want to come this side? I support Ukraine. All my videos is, all my activities I'm doing to help, at least with the word, to bring out the truth, because they're hidden. Now everyone forgot about the Chechen war. Russia first invaded to Chechnya, if you remember.
Yeah.
They killed 300,000 men, including 42,000 children. So they are exactly same children like mine and yours, you know,
Yeah.
like, and we feel sorry for them.
Yeah.
And now exactly the same way Russia, basically Putin, he invaded Ukraine. So I'm wishing, doing everything to support, at least even with verbal, I'm supporting Ukraine. What would you say to Ukrainians and Chechens? Because we are very similar.
Honestly, I don't think we're allowed to make a comment.
Yeah,
to be
I don't
honest.
think we're allowed to comment
Oh,
on
you're not allowed?
No,
I don't think so.
But we support Ukraine, don't
Oh
we?
yeah,
Yeah, of course we support
And Chechnya.
Ukraine, but I think it's just we're not allowed to get into
Okay.
like
Fine,
the
I
personal side
respect
of it,
that.
But we obviously do support them.
I respect that. What do you know about Chechnya?
I'll be brutally honest, I was quite young when it happened.
Okay. But did you know that they killed 300,000 Chechen people?
I didn't know the exact number. I do know.
So from now on you will know.
Yeah.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much for your comments. You take care, guys. Yeah. All right, bye bye. There are certain things which they're not allowed to support, or I mean, sorry, they do support, but obviously they're not allowed to comment on that. Yeah. So let's see two girls. Girls, do you mind to be on YouTube, or you do? You don't want to be on YouTube. Do we support Ukraine? Yes, that's what I want to hear, because I'm doing video for Ukraine and Chechnya. Короче. So, we're going to stop video from here, and then we'll carry on soon. Right, we're back again. We are on the bridge. Right, basically, we've been in a city center, asked a few people random questions about Ukraine, if they know about Ukraine or if they support Ukraine. Obviously, everyone basically does support Ukraine and Chechnya. Right, there we go now. Let's see if we can find someone who would like to be on camera. Now we're back again. Because it's a Sunday and it's everything is off today, and that's why there's not many people. However, I thought, hi, no change. Sorry, mate. So, because there's not many people, can't ask questions. Only few people. Anyway, let's get back to the work now. what Russia did to Chechnya, it is just impossible to pass through the words. You got to feel it, you got to see lots of materials, because those materials, when we publish them on YouTube, they block the channel because of the graphics. That's why I advise you to sign on, to download Telegram. It's similar like WhatsApp Messenger, but it's more advanced, much more advanced, I would say. So I recommend you to download Telegram and go to our channel. We have our Telegram channel is called Partnizm Marshwa. You'll see the link. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to our Telegram channel and support us, please. Share our videos and send them to your friends, family, all people of goodwill. We would like to deliver to them the real truth about what happened in Chechnya, and we want to stop the kidnappings and torturings of innocent people. Basically, we are against the terrorist government. So we want freedom, we want to live in free. We want to we want basically peace, like every sane person would want. So all what we're asking is for deoccupation our country and support to deoccupy our country. Our country is occupied by Russia since 1999 when Putin came to power. Second time it was occupied by Russia. So all what we're saying, stop the Russian terror in Chechnya and in Ukraine. I was passing by and I saw these nice young
We
guys.
support Ukraine. Fuck you, Putin.
I didn't expect that. Well done, well done. Alright, take care.
What's
Alright.
your YouTube, mate?
Chechen blogger in English.
Chechen blogger in English.
Yes, yes.
I'll give you a
I'm from
subscribe.
Chechnya, yeah. Subscribe, yeah?
Subscribe.
Alright, take care, yeah. You'll see yourself.
Stop Putin! Stop the war!